Hey everyone, I'm Alexa Michi. Welcome to my channel. This is my room. What's up? Anyway, I thought, hey, what could I do? What would be interesting? Well, we got this thing right here. Lights, makeup, vanity lights from Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks. It's not bad. I had a gift card. Like, okay, so we're gonna have like a revealing unboxing thing, because like I peeked at it and I was like, oh my gosh, wait, let's do a first impressions thing with lights, because that's cool, right? I don't know. Anyway, this might be a little challenging. So if you want it to come out like that, that's what you do. You just kind of do that. Anyway, here are the lights. And you know, they'll be longer. You just gotta unscrew these things and I guess you stick them on where you need to put them. So yeah, if you didn't get a good look, I don't know if you got a good look, but this is what they look like. Pretty cool. I think it's definitely plastic. That'll be fun. Here's some more adhesive things as the gurus do. There's no need to do that, but I mean, I always wanted to do that now. But yeah, and there's a box here. It is the, what do you, switch thing. So you're gonna hook this up, you're gonna hook that up, and you're gonna hook that up, plug this in, and you're gonna stick these on your mirror. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna record that process here, right? Okay, so I'm gonna turn you around. Oh, this is not like FaceTime. Here's my vanity. So this is the mirror. This is the cleaning supplies. This isn't always there. So we're just gonna move that. Anyways, yeah, that's her right there, and that's the naked mirror that we're gonna fix up. So we're gonna clean it because I mean, you should clean it. You should clean your stuff. You should clean your mirrors. Yeah, I'm gonna dust it off, clean it, and then we'll jump into like how I put these lights on this mirror in case you want to know how to do it at home. I got you. So yeah, I'll see you in the next segment. Yeah, bye. This swivel doesn't work right, so you know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna kind of maybe you don't need that much, but you know, gravity's crazy. So, hey, we're in the next segment. Anyways, so, step 1, open the packaging and take out the item carefully. It was careful. Okay, 2, determine the locations where you can put the bulbs. Okay, well, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put like 3, 3, 2, 2, because there's 10. So we'll just untie these really quickly. Hey, did all the lights all detached, kind of. Well, they're not as confined. So yeah, now we're gonna figure out where they're gonna go. Insert really fast clip right here. Okay, so I managed to find a tape measure, and I decided, okay, I went ahead and just stuck one down. It's about 3/4 of an inch from the mirror. So you know, just kind of measure accordingly, evenly, and be mindful as to how you're adjusting the lights so the wires can be tucked underneath the mirror if that's the style you're going for. So like, you see how there's no way here. Let me turn off the light. There's like a divot, so you just kind of, you know, twist it and just make it look nice how you want it stuck, and then you'll just take this little piece of sticky stuff off and it'll stick down. So I'm just gonna continue doing that, and we'll see what we got here. So yeah. Okay, now that everything is stuck together, nothing's moving. Now I just have to tuck these wires in. So I probably have to take off this frame to most effectively do that and make it more easy on myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So yeah, oh my gosh, I just figured out how to do the dim thing. Look. You just hold on, can I like, you just hold it, and it gets brighter, or more dim. That's pretty cool. Wait, you can actually see my highlight, like what? Okay, so, I'm being watched right now, so it's kind of uncomfortable. He's over there! He's over there!
Do it again.
Watch it! See?
Do it again.
This will like, I can make bloopers or something. Anyways, I was looking for scotch tape to like wire down. No, technically it is wiring down, like tape down the wires whenever I, do what I'm gonna show you. But I found this. He's laughing at me.
No, that's not like me at all.
I can take that out. Anyways. He's still staring at me.
You gotta cut all of this out.
Okay, so I found this tape. It's not clear, but it's gonna do the job, so it's gonna be fine. Anyways, we're gonna go to that segment of me taping down the wires, so you know how to do it. And you can use this tape. It's fine. Everything is fine. Alright, so progress so far. I discovered I probably don't even need tape. See, what I thought was gonna happen was that I can take the frame apart, and then I realized there were staples, and there was, what else? There was screwed, and I don't want to tear it apart. Like, I'm just gonna tuck it in as best as I can do. Tuck the wires in. Can I like lift this up? Can you kind of see? You see how it's like nice and sleek, and then there's like, I'm just gonna shove it in. Just gonna do that. So that's the progress. Alright guys, so we went from, hey, let's try duct tape, to realizing can't really do that, to, okay, I can almost fully tuck the wires in except for one side. So I have another backup plan. So this is what we're gonna do. This is what I've been doing. I'm just gonna show you, I had some of these command strips handy. Like a nice little close-up of it. Command strips. There's stickers on each side. What I've been doing is just peeling each side, and then I kind of fold it in threes, and then I tuck it in the frame. I'll show you, but just close up in case you're one of those people that like visuals, because I'm like that. I'm a visual learner. Yeah, just fold it in twos, threes, whatever, to get those where it's like not too noticeable. And then you're gonna shove it in the frame and then stick the wire on top and it'll stay. Yeah, that's what's going on now. I'm gonna pause this again and see what happens next. Okay. Yeah.
I don't want to be in the video. I'm serious.
Alrighty guys, you're not gonna believe this. We did it. I did it. You watched. But, you could support me, like, after me doing this. Makes no sense. Anyway, oh my gosh. I made a vanity. Oh my gosh. I'm about to show you, like, my mind is blown. of my DIY, is it DIY? Yeah, DIY, do-it-yourself vanity. You can kind of peep the cord a little bit. It's my ring light, that's why it's a little bright. Anyway, yeah, you can kind of see it, but you know, that's what I have to do for now. You can see where I put the command strips in, but over here we're successfully able to tuck it in. The mirror's broken, so that's why it was easier over here, and maybe that's why I was able to tuck it in all thoroughly, because it's kind of messed up. But yeah, that's what we did. We're gonna, you know, go put it by the vanity and see how it looks. Look how ostentatious that looks. Like, damn, that wire is hanging a little. But you know what? It's fine. We're gonna fix it. But that's pretty good. Here, I'm charging my phone while I'm recording because it's pretty low, but that's highly impressive. Okay, this was $20. This came undone a little bit. We're just gonna shove it back in there. It's fine. See? The other side. It's okay. We'll fix it. But look, and then check out this. What? Oh my gosh. Look how nice my makeup looks. Like, that's incredible. Okay. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of trial and error. A lot of error. There was some trial, there was a lot of error, but you know what? It came out pretty good. Pretty proud of this. Like, it looks like I spent some money on this mirror, you know. The wires, we're gonna fix that. I mean, maybe down the road, but it doesn't really bother me too much. The main point is just having good lighting when you're doing your makeup, because I'm sure you guys out there that do your makeup know the struggle. Like, sometimes you just use the window, and you want to see what I was doing here. I had this little mini mirror. I would stick it in the window, and I would do my makeup, even though I had this huge mirror right in front of me, but the lighting was just so bad, it wasn't cutting it. So now I can finally do my makeup. Like, I don't know what I say, a regular person can do it more efficiently and effectively. Yeah, I'm proud of that. So, I hope you like this video. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I thought about doing like a haul video. I think I talked about that in my intro. You guys been to Marshall's? Like, oh my gosh. Here, let me like show you something that I found there. Subculture. I know a lot of people complained about it and stuff because the formula isn't like the other Anastasia palettes. I tried it, actually, I dabbled with it today. I didn't have a lot of time to mess with my makeup. I had this makeup on for a while, so it's smudging a little bit. But it's not bad. Like, I want to do a better look with it. But finding this in Marshall's, no one touching it, no smudges in it. You know how it be if you've been to Marshall's or TJ Maxx, those outlet-like stores. So yeah, I thought about doing a haul video showing the things that I got for really cheap. That retails $45, I believe. 20 bucks. Okay, for Anastasia, worth it. So I feel like I'm gonna get off track here, because when I talk about makeup, I can really just keep going, because it's just, I don't know, it's so interesting to me. I think it's cool. But anyways, I'll probably have a video on that. Things I find and doing a look on subculture, seeing what I can do with it. So yeah, my excuse me, my new year-old type makeup. You know, because sometimes I can't, some people just can't buy it when it's brand new, you know? So that'd be a cool thing to do. My new year-old, maybe it's both are new, I don't know, but anyway, I appreciate those that tuned in. Maybe you got a laugh, maybe you learned something, so that'd be cool. So yeah, if you want to see more stuff like this, if you want to see more of me, don't be shy. Subscribe. That kind of rhymes. Should that be my catchphrase? Don't be shy. Subscribe to my channel right down below. You hit that. What is it? Is it just a red button? I'm new to YouTube, okay? They always say hit the notification bell, the button. But yeah, if you want to see more of me, you do that. I'm gonna go find something else to do, I guess. So I don't know what I'm gonna do actually. I don't really plan it. I just do what I feel. You know, sometimes you just anyway. Hope you guys have a lovely night. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the flip side.